Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can copy text from PDF image and paste on the Microsoft Word document. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you perfect and update method. Let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, first open your folder, okay, and computer folder, and select that PDF file. Right click on it and open with that. Go to the open with and open with the open with Google Chrome. Okay, I just open it. Now we have this PDF file, and here we have text. Okay, we can simply come here. In this image I have text. Okay, normal text I can copy. I just double click on it and select that text and copy it. Okay, but on the image you can't select that text. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the one trick that you can use, and you can copy text from that image, PDF image. Okay, what you can do, just right click on that PDF and go to the search this tab with the Google Lens. Okay, now select that area, image area where I have text. Now here you can see the option come up, which is copy text. Now come to the Word. This is my Word document. I just paste here. I need to just paste here, or you can simply hit the Ctrl+P. You can see the same text has been copied here in Word. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.